Hello everyone, we are going to check out chapter number 3, subject and predicate. A sentence has two parts, A. Subject, B. Predicate. For example, Rahul likes playing football. This is a sentence that makes complete sense. Rahul is the subject because the sentence is about Rahul. Like playing football is the predicate because it tells us about the subject Rahul. The part of the sentence that tells us what or whom the sentence is about is called subject. The part of the sentence that tells us something about the subject is called the predicate. Now look at the following sentence. The girls is the subject, are not tired. Are not tired, that is the predicate and are is the verb. Okay. The predicate always includes the verb. Here are some more examples to understand subject and predicate. First, subject, the boy. Predicate is was chasing a cat. Second, Suraj. Suraj is the subject. Predicate is sleeping. Third, the toy car is the subject. Was running on the track. That is the predicate. The helicopter is the subject and the predicate is flew over the sea. So, the subject may have only one or more than one words. Exercise number A. Circle the subjects and underline the predicates in the following sentences. First, the bird is the subject, so there we have to do circle. Is flying, that is the predicate, that is why we have to do underline there. Second number, Ram is an intelligent student, so Ram is the subject, so there we have to do circle. Is an intelligent student, that is the predicate, that is why we have to do underline in it. Third number, Mary walks in the park, so Mary we have to do the circle. Why? Because Mary is the subject, walks in the park, that is the predicate, that is why we have to do the underline. Fourth number, the teacher is the subject, so there we have to do circle. Sings well, that is the predicate, that is why we have to do the underline. Fifth number, the children, that is the we have to do the circle over there. Why? Because the children, that is the subject, and are reading books, that is the predicate, that is why we have to do the underline. Now sixth number, Rutu is the subject, so that is why we have to do the circle. Will come today, that is the predicate, so we have to do the underline. Seven number, the teacher, that is the subject, is in the library, that is the predicate, that is why we have to do underline there. Eight number, you is the subject, should not sing in the classroom. Should not sing in the classroom, that is the predicate, that is why we have to do the underline in it. 9 number, Atul is the subject, so there you have to do circle. Wrote a story, that is the predicate, that is why we have to do the underline. 10 number, the study table, that is the subject, that is why we have to do the circle over there. And is very neat, that is the predicate, that is why we have to do the underline in it. Subject in commands. Read these sentences. Come here. Second, don't talk. In these sentences, the subject is not mentioned. The subject is actually you. And the sentences actually read like the following. First, you come here. So you is the subject and come here is the predicate. Second number, you don't talk. So in second sentence, you is the subject and don't talk, that is the predicate. So remember, in all commands, the subject is you, which is not mentioned in the sentence but is understood. Subject in questions. The subject actually comes before the predicate, but in questions, subjects come after predicates. For example, first, where is mother? So where is, that is the predicate and mother is the subject. Second number, who are you? So who are, that is the predicate and you is the subject. Value corner. We join a subject and predicate to make a sentence. Your friend is not talking to you for some time because of your rude behavior. Will you go and join hands with him or her? Why or why not? Yes, everybody. We should talk politely, in polite manner with our friends. And if your behavior is very rude, then you have to join the hands and you should go with him or her and you should say at least sorry for the rude behavior and you should behave with them in a polite manner. Exercise number B. Circle the subjects and underline the predicates in the following sentences. First, sit on that chair. Underline. Why? Because that is the predicates. Second number, who are you? Who are? There we have to do underline and you we have to do circle. Third number, circle the picture is very beautiful. There we have to do underline. Fourth number, switch on the television. We have to do underline because whole sentence is predicate. Fifth number, the cartoon show, there we have to do circle, is very funny, that we have to do underline. Sixth number, we have to do circle, had fever yesterday, there we have to do underline. 7 number, Jyoti, we have to do circle on Jyoti, come inside the room, there we have to do underline. 8 number, what is, there we have to do underline and that insect, there we have to do circle. 9 number, Mona and Sona, there we have to do circle, play badminton, there we have to do underline. 10 number, where is, there we have to do circle, underline and everybody, there we have to do circle. Why? Because everybody is subject and where is, that is the predicate. Exercise number C. Filling the blanks with suitable subjects or predicates. First number, the girl is dancing. Answer is dancing. Second number, the sun is shining brightly. Answer is shining brightly. Third number, the Scarlet Letter is my favorite book. The Scarlet Letter. Answer is the Scarlet Letter. Fourth number, all my friends live in Delhi. Answer is all my friends. Fifth number, Panaji is the capital of Goa. Answer is Panaji. Sixth number, the stars twinkle at night. Answer is twinkle at night. 7 number, the carpenter is making a table. Answer is the carpenter. 8 number, Lata has a melodious voice. Answer is has a melodious voice. 9 number, Arjun is my best friend. Answer is Arjun. 10 number, Mohan is the naughtiest boy in the class. Answer is the naughtiest boy in the class. Now let's revise. A sentence has two parts, subjects and predicate. In commands, the subject is you, which is not mentioned but implied. In questions and exclamatory sentences, predicates usually come before the subjects. So dear students, here we have completed the chapter. Whichever exercise you can see in the textbook A, B and C, that you have to write down in your textbook or in your notebook.